Hi guys, I'm gonna just show you my quick makeup for night evening, and if you have acne, how I conceal and what products do I use that doesn't make me break out. So first of all, I always start with my eyes, and I'm gonna look above because this is where I can see my camera, my face. So I always start with my eyes, and I'm gonna just use from my palette Dior. I'm gonna use this color over here, and yeah, I need like a mirror, so I'm gonna use my palette. So I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna use it over here in my eye area. So since my dress, well, my jumpsuit, it's black, I'm gonna use like dark makeup, but my lips gonna be really nude. Yeah. And after that, after using the brown one, I like to go for, why is this here? Okay. So after using the brown one, I like to go for the black one, and I use the tip of this pencil like this, and I just go a little bit like this and remove the excess always, and then I'm gonna just use it like as eyeliner, which I think is better for me. So I'm making this makeup more intense in the eyes. Of course, it's like I won't go like this. Well, I won't go like this in the daytime, but I'm going to a party, so gonna be soon, and I want to look extra. So the next step is, now that I've done like the colors of my eyes, I go for my eyebrows, and I always comb it first, my eyebrows, and I use the Anastasia varieties. So next step is my eyebrows, and I always like to comb first my eyebrows. I'm just using the Anastasia one, and I like it to do like this. I need my mirror again. So I like to do like this, and I think my eyebrows are really difficult to work with, but who cares? So I just fill up the gaps where I don't have much eyebrows, so it's gonna be here, like this. And then it's gonna be here. So sometimes, because I think that I have a massive space here and I don't like to have such a big space, I just go a little bit here on top and here. And I do the same in the other one. Yeah, so it's fine. I just like my eyebrows natural as possible, so I don't like to play a lot with this, you know. So my next step is I go back again to the eyes, but this time I'm gonna use this one, the eyelash curler, and I'm just gonna use it. Oh, and in the mirror. Like this. Then another one. So So after I curl my eyelashes, I go for my Dior Blackout, and again I need my mirror. I go like this. So now I'm going for my face, and the thing is, like, I don't like to use foundation just because I think it's too harsh and it really looks like a mask when I'm putting, and I don't find any foundation that actually looks good on my skin. So I'm using MAC the concealer, and I'm using this color, and I just use with a finger. I'm gonna put it where I have my pimples and my imperfections. Then I go with the lightest one, and I put it just a little bit on top. And also here. So now that I put my concealer, I go with this small sponge, and I just do like this, just to blend it a little bit better. So I know that even though I have acne, I just don't bother much to conceal it, like, you know, or to cover too much my acne marks. Just because I don't think so that it becomes like a nice final product if I put too much foundation or concealer. So I would rather even have some of marks showing up than having a cakey face. So I use my bronzer from Guerlain, but this one is just a very old palette. I mean, not so old, but it's like looks so old and it already broken. So I'm using a little bit like this. Then I use my blush. And the final step is my lips. So for my lips, well, that's not actually the final step. So for my lips, if I'm not using red lipstick, I'm using just the Vaseline, and this one is good for dry lips like I have. So I just do like this. And I always keep this in my pocket in case I become dry. So the next step is my eyebrows again, and then I go just to brush it and make it more, you know, in the place. And I'm using just fixator mascara, like from Flormar. I bought it here in Portugal, and I'm using just a little bit. And if you don't have something like this, you just can use it soap, and this actually works really great, and it's cheaper. Well, but I never tried, but I know my friends, they tried. So I just remove the excess and like this. Yeah, I don't like much this feather hairy eyebrows, so I try not to put it all over the place. Yeah, so for me that's it. Now to finalize, I normally like to use the Urban Decay for setting up and for my makeup last longer. You can use it even before of makeup, and I heard people using, like they said they use like even before makeup and after makeup, but I normally use it after makeup, and this one lasts your makeup all night long. That's why it was all night, but it's really good. So so that's it. That's what I use for my makeup for tonight and for this evening. I like the results, and actually this product doesn't make me any breakout. The foundation that I use, or I used to use it, it's from Dior. It's this one, Dior Backstage, but I think for me it doesn't, the color doesn't match, and actually I haven't been finding any foundation that match with my color. So that's why I switched to the concealer, and I think I am very happy with that, and I don't think so I'm gonna switch to another foundation again. So yeah, so that's it. I am ready to party and drink some Portuguese wine. So I hope you guys like it, and it's my first video, so be nice with me. If you like it, just subscribe and hit the like. If you have any questions, just let me know.